Yeah, the lens is scratched. Bunny. Fluffy. So for now, I'm probably gonna be getting them at Justice, cause they'll work on the wheel. Cause there isn't one that was the exact same as this, and it worked, and this one does not. Wait, I'll try it again. It looks like he kind of got off a little that one time. I'm sure if it tries hard enough, it would get off. Oh, no, no, no. Good job. Yeah, because he's kind of... It's just that they need to go backwards longer. I think, yeah, that's what the problem is. They don't go backwards long enough. Oh! It's 5 o'clock. Oh, no. Sorry, it's kind of canceled. Oh. No. See? If it went backwards long enough. It's dead again, the black. Oh, there we go. It used to be over there, but it didn't work good over there. So I put it over here, the wheel. Oh, he still gets out, okay.